From Gujarat now to Karnataka, while income tax raids in Karnataka continue, politics also has now escalated. Karnataka Chief Minister Kumaraswamy has now appealed to Election Commission to intervene for these raids and stop the harassment, as he is calling it, of Congress and JDS workers. In a series of reactions on social media site Twitter, Kumaraswamy is claiming that income tax sleuths put up spy cameras in the premises of the mills that are linked to the Congress and JDS workers, and that it was a shameful attempt to corner these workers. This comes just hours after Karnataka Congress Chief Dinesh Gundu Rao wrote to Election Commission, the Central Board of Direct Taxes and President Kovind to direct the IT department to desist from conducting raids in the interest of free and fair elections. Meanwhile, Union Minister Arun Jaitley took on the coalition government in the state for protesting against these raids. He's questioned as to why the Chief Minister was supporting the corrupt in the first place. So clearly it is not only about Karnataka and the IT raids, it's become political. And while of course Arun Jaitley is saying why would the Chief Minister of the state come to the defense and rescue of these raids, it is an attempt, according to Kumaraswamy, to intimidate specifically people related to the Congress and the JDS. But interestingly, the IT raids haven't exactly been on the political workers. And for further updates on that, I'm now joined by my colleague Nolan Pinto. Now, Nolan, why does this get more controversial? Because the raids aren't exactly on the residence or offices of the leaders, but clearly it's become political. Give us more details.
Well, in fact, Chief Minister Kumaraswamy has now come out with a tweet stating that rice mills and sugar mills of basically workers, he says JDS and Congress workers, have been targeted. The raids have gone on. He also talks about spy cameras being put over there. This is what he's saying. He says that the IT department is being used to intimidate workers of the JDS and the Congress. Now, no doubt, the IT department clearly stated that please do not politicize and also trivialize these investigations, because no MLAs, no MPs, no kith and kin have been targeted, only based on credible evidence and intelligence and investigation that these individuals, basically contractors and engineers, have been looked into. But clearly the Congress and JDS are clearly stating that only particular individuals in Mandya and Hassan have been targeted in order to demoralize them before the elections.
Clearly, so is it only an IT raid or is there a political aspect to it? Nolan, thank you so much for the details.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.